Doug from Clear Lake has a question about duct repair.
Well, he's got a little dripping problem, Tom. Doug writes, a year and a half ago, we had our ducts replaced, mostly though, because the installer said there were some that he couldn't get to. Condensation was leaking from it, so they added insulation around this one duct. But the condensation still builds up, and now it leaks through the ceiling like this. They say we're keeping the thermostat too low. It's our fault. Yeah, right. He says the only fix is to tear open the walls and the ceiling to get at that duct and replace it. What say you?
Well, if it's sweating, and it's what it is, if it's sweating and it's between floors, there's hot, humid air in there, and if you have any areas of the duct that could have a little break in it or some metal exposed, you have to insulate. If you don't insulate around the ducts, it's going to sweat. Maybe a little sheetrock, to take it out and get that thing insulated right around that box and put it back together. A little Rudy's quality painting job might be the only answer. Mm-hmm. The other thing is, and I don't want people not to set the thermostat on the temperature they want. Mm-hmm. People need to have the temperature they want, and that's why we have air conditioning. So the other thing is, if it's and here's what I usually tell people. If you look at the picture, I usually say you can change it to a plastic register. It won't sweat. It won't drip on you. But if you notice that the sweating is a little off center from where the register is, so I really think they're going to have to get up in there and take care of that duct. Now, I don't know if it'll work or not, but there's a lot of people that spray foam in crawl spaces and stuff. Now, I usually don't tell people to do foam, but this is between floors. And if somebody can put some foam in there and foam up around that area, it might stop the sweating. It's not going to affect the house any.
I wonder, Tom, if the sweating is actually coming on the vertical run coming down, and that's just where it's coming out, in which case that foam's not going to do any good. They're going to have to go in and pull out the whole duct.
Investigation all the way. That's what you have to do. But it's not coming from the register. It's coming from the duct somehow, and I don't know how the duct runs. And you know what? Cutting out a piece of sheetrock, having it, fixed, putting a piece of sheetrock back, getting someone like Rudy just to texture it and paint it, it's not a big deal. We're not talking about thousands of dollars by any means.
And it's, my daddy used to say, if you can't pay the dues, don't join the club. So
what is he, Beretta?
Yeah.
You can't do the time, but don't do the crime.
Oh, jeez. All right. I'll take 70s TV for $500, Alex. All right. But for you, it's free. Go visit HomeShowRadio.com. Fill out the Ask Tom form. Send it in. Fill it out. We'll answer a video like this. We post them every day on our website, our YouTube channel, and our Facebook page. Appreciate it, by the way. If you're not following us there, go follow us.
Eye of the sparrow.